Wowkidz, fun and learn! Hello everyone! So today, we're gonna make one of our favorite characters that we all know about. So can you guess who this is? You're right, this is Scooby Doo! So let's start by making the outline first. We will draw the outline with a black color pen so that it looks nice and bright. Yes, like this, we make small circles on his face. Now the outline is complete. We pick up brown color and start filling the color. Because as we all know, Scooby Doo is brown in color. So we fill the outlines like this. We paint it in strokes in one direction like this, so that it looks nice, like this. Nice and easy. Make sure the color doesn't get smudged over the outlines. Take some more paint. We'll paint the entire face, but leave the circles. Okay, so like this, we'll cover the face with the brown color, but leave the circles unpainted. Now these are the ears of Scooby Doo. We'll paint them too, with brown color. We'll paint around the eyes too. Between the eyes. Now let's paint the other ear too. Fill up all the gaps if any. Now we'll take the color pink and we'll paint Scooby Doo's tongue from the inside. Like this. Yes, we'll paint it very neatly and blend it with red color like this. Now we'll outline with red color and fill in the pink color for the ears. Now let's color Scooby Doo's collar. And let's do it with the color green. Take some more paint in the brush and fill it up nicely. You can use a little bit of water if you want to spread the color to give it a shade. But make sure the color stays inside the outlines. You can use a dash of blue to give it an effect of shadows. Cover the collar with the colors neatly. Yes, It's an ice cream. Now for the nose of Scooby Doo, we'll use the black color. We'll fill the nose with black color and the rest of the area, and then fill the rest of the area with some white color. Blend it well like this and smudge it. Now the eyeballs. Now for the eyeballs of Scooby Doo, we'll color them with black and partially with white color like this. Now we darken the ears with pink color. We're coloring the mouth of Scooby Doo. And the remaining part with the brown color. We're mixing a little of black and brown together. Make sure you fill up all the gaps with the brush. Now we're going to mix a little bit of yellow color on the face, which is already painted brown. Make sure the color yellow is blended smoothly on completion. A dash of yellow color on the ears too. You can mix yellow and white together and paint it like this. We'll do some shading on Scooby Doo's face with light yellow color. We complete the ears and the rest of the face like this. And now the black color along the outlines. We'll do some shading so that it looks natural. Looks like the real Scooby Doo. We do some dark brown color shading on the face, on the ears, and on the neck. Isn't Scooby Doo looking very nice? Yes, of course. Now we fill these small circles with the color black and we darken the outlines with the black sketch color. Yes, we darken all the outlines so that it has a perfect shape. Yay! Our Scooby Doo is ready! Wowkidz! Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.